Hi everyone, this is your girl, Chef Afusa. We say kissing one born last week, but made me stop challenging 100 hours with a Baci cook. So today, I come out strong. No retreat, no surrender. That's why I have to go live first for transparency. So it will not be like maybe somebody do mago, because I will not stop cooking until I reach that 200 hours. In fact, I'm going to pass in the Baci in the Kiseten. Emma Bawa Carlo.
Start the play. They play.
Like I always say, this is our ingredient. We have our salt, we have our sugar, curry, thyme, ororo, epopupa, we have everything. And we have our yam. And for some people that will be saying, Chef have to cover their hair in the kitchen. Most of us our cap money.
Okay, continue.
So let's begin. Oluodo Funke says your own idaya Baci. Seri wọn bá àwọn ẹlẹ́mìí àròpin. And I'm not going to stop this cooking until I enter Mota Guinness Award. No. Guinness Record Award. Guinness Book Record Book. In fact, today we are going to teach ourselves how to cook perfect jamamarita. Now we have our frying pan. We will now put it on the fire. Then we on our gas. So right now, let's start. We now take our soft ball, take our knife and our yam. So we start peeling it. You make sure you peel it very neat. Remember, we are preparing yamarita, and we are going to take this thing to enter Guinness Award.
You are doing rubbish.
We have already entered safe. So we have peeled it, finished. So we now cut the one that we are not using. We'll cut it away. This part, put this one like this. So right now, we will now start sucking our knife. Cut it out, suck it very well. Our yam. You know, remember that we are making yamamarita. So right now that we are done sopping our yam, we will now clean our hand.
Look at my face.
Your frying pan is burning already. Which frying pan? Yeah! My frying pan! Who's the father? Hilda, Baci.